Mastering smart scheduling. Work smarter, not harder. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized while actually getting things done can feel like juggling flaming swords while blindfolded. That's where smart scheduling comes in, a productivity superpower that helps you manage your time efficiently and effectively. Whether you're an entrepreneur climbing the business ladder or a professional balancing a dozen projects at once, mastering smart scheduling can be your secret weapon for getting more done without losing your mind. Understanding smart scheduling, it's more than just a calendar. Smart scheduling isn't just about filling in calendar slots or color coding your day. It's about integrating technology, automation, and strategic planning to focus on what actually matters. By cutting out redundant tasks and spotlighting your most important work, smart scheduling lets you work smarter and not harder. In other words, it's the difference between running on a hamster wheel and actually moving forward. This approach also encourages you to zoom out and see the bigger picture. It helps you balance short-term milestones with long-term goals and emphasizes quality of time over quantity. Instead of cramming your schedule with busyness, smart scheduling guides you to invest your time in activities that truly move the needle. When done right, it transforms chaotic days into harmonious, productive routines. Kind of like turning a messy jam session into a symphony you actually enjoy listening to. Rising to Be, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/risingtobe or become a channel member for exclusive videos and more. Visit risingtobe.com for all your planner and stationery needs. Only at risingtobe.com, helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 1. Strategies to harness smart scheduling. Make your calendar work for you. Smart scheduling isn't magic, it's strategy. With a little planning and foresight, you can turn your chaotic schedule into a productivity powerhouse. Here are some key strategies to help you adopt smart scheduling and actually get things done without feeling like a time-starved octopus juggling too many tasks at once. Tip 2. Plan proactively. Your daily crystal ball. Wrap up each day with a quick planning session to review and tweak your upcoming schedule. This forward-looking approach gives you clarity, prepares you for challenges, and sets you up to seize opportunities like a productivity ninja. By regularly checking in on your plans, you create a habit of continuous improvement and prevent surprises from derailing your day. Don't stop at daily check-ins. Consider weekly or even monthly reviews as well. These broader evaluations help you spot patterns, adjust priorities, and ensure your efforts stay aligned with your bigger goals. Think of it like giving your schedule a tune-up. Small adjustments now prevent big headaches later, keeping your productivity engine running smoothly. Plus, proactive planning reduces stress in real time. When you know what's coming and have a strategy in place, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed or even reactive. It's like having a personal game plan for life. Sudden emails, unexpected meetings, or even curveballs won't throw you off your stride. You're prepared, calm, and ready to tackle whatever comes next. Tip 3. Define your priorities. Don't let the busy work boss you around. Not all tasks are created equal, and trying to do everything at once is a one-way ticket to overwhelm. Tools like the Eisenhower Matrix help you separate the urgent from the important and spot the stuff that you can delegate, defer, or even ditch entirely. Named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, yes, the president and productivity legend, this matrix turns chaos into clarity, so you can see exactly what deserves your attention right now. By visualizing your priorities, you gain the power to make smarter decisions, focus on what actually moves the needle, and stop sweating the small stuff. Think of it as giving your day a personal assistant that whispers, "Don't worry, I got this." Tip 4. Automate routine activities. Let technology do the boring stuff. Why waste brain power on repetitive tasks when technology can handle them for you? Automate your recurring meetings, reminders, and even deadline tracking to free yourself from mundane admin work. The result? More mental bandwidth for creative thinking, strategic planning, and maybe even sneaking in a longer coffee break. Automation isn't about slacking off, it's about working smarter. By offloading the routine tasks, you reclaim hours that can be spent on projects that actually move the needle, leaving you feeling productive without the burnout. Think of it as having a helpful robot sidekick, minus the sci-fi drama. Plus, automation helps you keep consistent. When repetitive tasks run like clockwork, nothing slips through the cracks. You'll stop forgetting follow-ups, double booking meetings, or even losing track of your deadlines. Over time, this builds reliability and even reduces your stress, letting you focus on the work that truly fuels your growth and satisfaction. Tip 5, adopt time blocking. Your calendar's new superpower. Time blocking is like giving each part of your day its very own VIP section. Dedicate specific intervals for focused work, meetings, and yes, even those well-deserved snack or even coffee breaks. By carving out time for each activity, you minimize your distractions. You boost efficiency and turn vague goals into actionable steps. Time blocking isn't about being a rigid schedule robot. It's about taking the wheel and deciding exactly how you want to spend your time. Think of it as giving your day a clear roadmap while leaving room for detours, fun pit stops, and occasional spontaneous dance breaks. Addressing obstacles in smart scheduling, because life loves curveballs. While smart scheduling is a game changer, it isn't without its challenges. So here are some common roadblocks and how to tackle them like a pro. Combating technological overload. Keep it simple, smarty. There's a jungle of scheduling tools out there, and trying to use all of them is a surefire way to get lost in the weeds. Stick to one or even two platforms that integrate smoothly with your workflow. Simplifying your tech stack reduces confusion, clears mental clutter, and lets you focus on what really matters, your work, and maybe even your sanity. Preventing overbooking. Give yourself breathing room. Back-to-back meetings might make you feel productive, but they'll also make your brain scream for mercy. Build buffer times between appointments to regroup, refocus, and even avoid burnout. Think of these pockets as mini breathing spaces. Your sanity will definitely thank you. Adapting to dynamic changes. Go with the flow. Life isn't static, and neither should your schedule. Use tools and strategies that allow real-time updates so you can pivot when priorities shift. Flexibility isn't just nice, it's essential. By embracing adaptable systems, your schedule becomes more like a trampoline than a tightrope. Responsive, forgiving, and supportive of whatever comes your way. By anticipating these obstacles and planning for them, smart scheduling can remain a powerful ally instead of a source of stress. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now, let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on the list. Tip 1. Strategies to harness smart scheduling. Make your calendar work for you. Tip 2. Plan proactively. Tip 3. Define your priorities. And tip 4. Automate routine activities. Tip 5. Adopt time blocking. A year from now, you may wish you started today. Karen Lamb. The road ahead with smart scheduling. Your time, your rules. Smart scheduling isn't just a tactic, it's a lifestyle shift. It transforms the way you manage your time, helping you achieve more while working smarter, not harder. By combining clever strategies with the right tools, you reclaim your hours and focus on what really matters. Whether that's growing your business, leveling up your skills, or finally finishing that book you've been reading for about 3 years now. Ready to take control of your schedule? Embrace smart scheduling and watch how intentional planning changes your day-to-day life. As you fine-tune your approach and build better habits, you'll notice that productivity doesn't just increase, it becomes effortless. Your time is your most valuable asset, and smart scheduling is the key to spending it wisely, while still leaving room for coffee breaks, creativity, and occasional dance parties in your living room. I just want to take a quick moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/risingtobee or become a channel member today. Thanks again for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or in your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode.